Hello students, today I am comparing the basic strengths of aromatic amines with some aliphatic amines. So in our previous class we have seen the comparison of aliphatic amines only. So we have compared aliphatic amines with ammonia. So here I am comparing aromatic amine with aliphatic amine like ethylamine. Okay, so let us see ethylamine comparison with aniline. Okay, so ethylamine is aliphatic amine and aniline is aromatic amine here. So here both are having a lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen. So we may think that both will be having a basic strength. Yes, both will have both basic strength here, but aniline is weak base when compared to ethylamine. Why it is weak base? Here you can see aniline is attached to electron releasing group. Here C2H5 shows inductive effect plus I effect. That means it releases electrons to this NH2 and increases the electron density on the nitrogen. Hence ethylamine acts as a good base. And if you compare this aniline with aniline, in aniline a nitrogen is attached to benzene ring. This benzene ring acts as electron withdrawing group here. So electron withdraws the electron density on the nitrogen. Because of this reason, aniline is having less basic nature when compared to ethylamine. Okay, so now let us see the aniline structure. Aniline structure, if you observe, it shows the resonating structures. It involves in resonance. So the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen involves in resonance with the pi electrons present in the ring. Okay, you can see this. If I shift this bond to this side, this carbon gets a negative charge and this carbon gets a positive charge. So now this lone pair of electrons and this positive charge forms a double bond here. So as nitrogen is donating electrons to this carbon, it is getting a positive charge. So nitrogen is having this carbon is having a negative charge with the lone pair of electrons. Now I shift this pi bond to this side. This carbon gets negative charge and this carbon gets positive charge. This positive and negative charges forms a double bond here. Okay, so next if I shift this bond to this side, this carbon gets negative charge and this positive and negative charge forms a double bond here. So in these resonating structures you can clearly observe nitrogen is getting a positive charge. So the lone pair of electrons present on the nitrogen involves in delocalization with the pi electron system present in the ring. So because of that reason, nitrogen is getting nitrogen is getting a positive charge and it cannot donate its electrons to any other proton. So because of this, aniline is act as a weak base when compared to ethylamine. Okay. So now let us compare some other substituted anilines. So in aniline, if I substitute hydrogens with CH3 groups, then it can become N-methylaniline or N-dimethylanine. If I substitute one hydrogen with CH3, it is called as N-methylaniline, that is secondary amine. If I substitute one more hydrogen with CH3, it becomes N-dimethylanine. Okay, so it is N-dimethylanine. So it becomes a tertiary amine here. Okay, so now if I compare the basic strengths, ammonia will become more basic when compared to this anilines. So in ammonia, the electrons are not involving in resonance, but in all these structures, the electrons involves in the resonance. So when we compare all these three structures, okay, if I compare these three structures, N-dimethyl is having two CH3 groups. Okay, this CH3 groups donates electrons to this nitrogen. Hence electron density increases. Hence N-dimethylanine is more basic than N-methylaniline than aniline. So here also we are having one electron releasing group. So electron releasing groups increases electron density. Hence it will become more basic. Okay. So aniline is less basic than substituted anilines, because in substituted anilines we can clearly observe the electron releasing groups here. Okay, so N-dimethylanine is more basic than N-methylaniline, which is more basic than aniline now. So it is clearly observed in non-aqueous medium. That means it should not contains water. So whenever water is absent, this plus I effect shows more effect. Okay, so we are comparing the plus effect of this anilines. But in aqueous medium, hydrogen bonding plays an important role. So hydrogen bonding means already what you know. The hydrogens involves in bonding with water molecules. Okay, in aqueous medium consists of water. So water molecules involve bonding with this hydrogens. Whenever more hydrogens are present, that will show more basic nature. So we can say that in aqueous medium, an dimethyl aniline is weakest base. Okay, so when compared to other anilines, hence we can say that basic nature of anilines depends on both aqueous and non-aqueous medium. Okay, this is completely about basic nature of amines. Thank you.